Number 37. With which kingdoms do bacteria share the same genetic code? So genetic codes are actually shared in many, many organisms. So this question is asking which kingdoms do bacteria share the same genetic code? It's going to be A, because genetic codes are actually shared, or same genetic codes are actually shared within many, many organisms. Like almost all organisms share a same genetic code. For instance, let's say hypothetically, the genetic code or codon called CCC this stands for a particular amino acid, okay? Let's say CCC stands for type A amino acid. If CCC is taken out and put it into a bacteria, then bacteria will make the protein, not protein, actually protein containing a type of amino acid called A. So same amino acid will be formed with the same codon. So since the same genetic code is shared between many organisms, we can actually use that advantage to produce desired products by inserting or putting certain genes into some other organisms. For instance, human insulin gets formed by bacteria using this characteristic. Okay, human genes for insulin is taken out and inserted into the bacteria, and what happens? Bacteria produce human insulins. Okay, that's possible because the same genetic codes are shared throughout many, many organisms. Hence, therefore, the answer should be A.